Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here, just taking a look at the US 100 on the daily chart at the moment. I actually went out on the weekly. I'll show you what I've got here. Have a look back. We can see that this is the weekly. So we're trading into a key weekly level here as we are a daily. We're coming down to the daily, so we can see this candle body low, candle body high, or close open, and we could pull it back. Historically, we can see multiple touches. So weekly and daily coincide here, getting a bit of a pullback. But what's interesting though is these strong bullish candles, and then we have this candle here with this big long pin bar under it. It's telling me that this is pretty bullish. So if we go down to the 4 hour, we're getting a bit of a pullback, but this is traded up above these levels. Now it's trading back down in. So we're approaching the Asia close, trading back down into the Asia close. And I'm thinking that we could see this give us an opportunity to go long. That's my thought on this. So if we go 4 hour support down here, okay, we've got the retrace, fib retrace, so I could pull that from it's a fair way down, but you know, if we see this pull back down, I mean, even 38.2, 50%, something like that, down into this level here, the high of this accumulation range or zone, a pull back down in here could be an opportunity to go long. Let's just have a look at it on the 30, and we'll just do a bit of a top down. Just pretty bullish. We do have these price gaps resting under here as well that this could look to target. But yeah, I mean, I like to pull back down into this 61.8, or sorry, I should say 38.2, around this zone here. I like this retrace, and if it trades down into the Asia close, we could see the rotation at that point. So we could look at the New York Open for a potential target. If we open that up, start New York. All right, have a look at this also from trading the London Open. So it kind of spiked up into the London Open, rotated down, and I'm wondering whether we see this rotate. So for an opportunity to buy, start London session, I'll be looking at, let's say we go down to a 5 minute. By the way, guys, have a look at the link below. Join my Discord group. It's free to join. You're most welcome. Love to see you in there. Have a look at my videos. There's a link below, my YouTube videos as well on growing your Forex or prop firm account. All right, back to the chart. All right, well, we traded down into the London Open. Let's see, it rotated here. Okay, spiked back up again. And keep an eye on it around this level here. And what I'll be looking for will be something like, if we get down here, so we've got support down here, coming down into the Asia close. Let's have a look and see if this rotates here. And then if we start to see it spiking up, I'd want to see it kind of hold here, and then we see a trend forming. Right, so if we break this trend here, and then we see higher highs, higher lows, I'd be looking to get in fairly early if this rotates for a buy opportunity. That would be my thing. So that's an idea, but I mean, if this doesn't set up, then abandon this idea, guys. It's only if we see the price holding here and we see the rotation and we start to see, well, we see this trend cracked, all right, and we see higher lows, higher highs forming, then that to me is the opportunity. And then I'd be watching this as we trade into the New York Open. As if it does give us the opportunity and we do trade up, I'd be looking to close 2/3 of my position fairly early and pulling my stop loss in to better or break even, much better than break even. Actually, you know, you want to be closing profits. So close 2/3 of your position, tighten up your stop, be in the money, and then see what we get out of it. You know, I mean, look, on the higher time frame, I'm thinking this could even, let's just come back out of there. We go back out 4 hour. From a 4 hour perspective, you know, look at that. So we've got higher highs, higher lows. We've got a trend forming here. We're getting this pullback. And, you know, I mean, if this does happen to gain traction, well, I mean, we've got this daily order block up here. The base of that would be would be a target, and that coincides with this. This is a 4-hour price gap. I won't go into it, but this is a level here that I'd be interested in. So I'd be looking to take 2/3 early off and pull your stop loss up and trail it and just see what we get out of it, okay, if it sets up. But that's the key, if it sets up on the lower time frame, this rotation around here. That's my take on the US 100, guys. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.